If your condenser unit's low refrigerant pressure switch keeps tripping, you gotta know what's really going on to fix it fast. Alright, so first up, leaks are usually the main culprit. You want to check all the refrigerant lines and connections for any signs of oil stains or hissing sounds, because that's a dead giveaway. If you spot a leak, don't just patch it up with tape or duct tape. You need a proper repair from a pro to keep things safe and efficient. Next, recharging the refrigerant is key, but only after fixing leaks, because topping off a leaking system is like pouring water in a bucket with holes. Make sure you're using the right type of refrigerant that matches your system's specs. Mixing types can mess things up big time. Also, keep an eye on the condenser coil. If it's dirty or blocked, it can cause pressure issues that trick the switch into tripping. Clean those coils gently with a soft brush or coil cleaner to boost airflow. Don't forget to check the air filter too, because a clogged filter makes the system work harder and can influence pressure readings. Finally, if you're unsure or it feels complicated, call a certified HVAC technician, because messing around with refrigerants without training can be risky and costly. One of the biggest mistakes with condenser units and low refrigerant pressure switches is ignoring small leaks. They might seem minor, but can cause your whole system to fail over time, so get them fixed as soon as possible. Another common issue is recharging refrigerant without repairing leaks first, which wastes money and doesn't solve the root problem. Always seal leaks before adding refrigerant. Lastly, people often overlook dirty condenser coils and clogged filters, both of which reduce system efficiency and cause pressure swings that trip the switch. Regular cleaning and filter changes are simple fixes that help prevent this. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. It also hooks up contractors with legit jobs, making sure everyone gets what they need without stress or drama.